Hey, Wallet Hubbers, Matt Charles here, and today we're going to be talking about how car insurance works. Car insurance provides financial protection for drivers in case of an accident, vehicle damage, personal injury, or theft. Severe collisions can cause hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage, so car insurance can protect drivers from financial ruin. There are several types of car insurance that cover different things. Liability insurance pays for injuries and property damage that you cause to others in an accident. Medical payments and personal injury protection, on the other hand, cover your medical bills after any accident regardless of fault. Then there's collision and comprehensive insurance, which pay to repair or replace your car when it's damaged. Collision insurance applies to accidents, and comprehensive insurance applies to other damage-causing events like vandalism or natural disasters. There are also other types of coverage, like gap insurance and rental reimbursement, that are optional policy add-ons. To use car insurance, you need to file a claim after an accident. If you're at fault, then your insurance will cover the other driver's expenses, and yours if you have certain types of coverage. But if the other driver's at fault, then their insurance will cover your expenses up to the limits of their policy. Once you file a claim, an insurance adjuster will investigate the damage and injuries and determine a settlement amount. Depending on what type of insurance you're filing a claim with, you may be required to pay a deductible before your insurer covers the rest of the cost. Car insurance is required in almost every state, although exact requirements vary based on where you live. If you're caught driving without insurance, you can face stiff penalties including heavy fines, a license suspension, and even jail time. And if you get in an accident without insurance, you'll be personally responsible for covering the cost of any damage you cause. You can get car insurance from one of 80 car insurance companies that operate in the U.S. To get a quote, you can go online or call a licensed insurance agent. You'll need to have your personal information handy, including your driver's license number, social security number, and your car's vehicle identification number. Now that you understand the basics of car insurance, it's time to start looking for coverage. For Wallet Hub's guide to finding cheap car insurance, just click the button here.